Hey everyone, welcome back to Sync Link, and my name is Sudhakar, your digital marketing expert. Today we are diving into an amazing WordPress plugin called Seraphinite Accelerator, a game-changing when it comes to website speed optimization. Faster websites not only improve user experience but also help your SEO ranking on Google. And the best part, you don't need to do any technical skills. Just a few clicks and boom, your website is blazing fast. So let's get started. First, let's check our website speed. Go ahead to Page Speed Insights, click on that, and then make sure that you check your website speed. Perfect, we got our mobile scores and desktop scores. You guys can see 64, 88, SEO, best practice in 96, and desktop 76, 85, 96, best practices in SEO is at 92. Remember that. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on plugin, and then add a new plugin. And then once you click on this one, try to search for this particular plugin, which is called Seraphinite Accelerator. Once you get this one, try to install it. Once you have activated it, you can see in your dashboard somewhere over here, click on settings. Now here you can see download the free extended plugin version. Click on this button. Once you click on it, you land onto this particular page. Try to download for free option and then head back to your dashboard and then go to your plugins again. Add a new plugin. Upload a plugin. Now choose that file and drop it over here. Install now. Perfect. Replace current with uploaded. Install plugins. Yep, you can go to the settings now. Once you're here, now begin setup wizard. Fully functional. Start self-diagnosis. By doing this, it checks if this version of plugin is going to impact your current website. So if it shows green, you're safe. Now it's asking you which optimization mode do you need. Always a high score. Then I don't want a high. I will just go on a medium because it's for high private server clients, and medium should be fine for us. Don't change the current settings. Finish. Let's go back and go on to manager, and then click on delete cache so that it runs through all the pages of your website. Now the plugin is done with optimizing all our pages. So quickly, now let's run another page speed insights from Google on our website and see how much we are ranking right now. This is awesome. Hey guys, you can see again the reporting time. You can check that if you guys feel this is not possible. But see this, for mobile 100% and the desktop 100%. Look at this. We just did it in minutes, guys. This is awesome. And there you have it. In just few clicks, you have dramatically improved your website speed, making your site more user-friendly and Google-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and share. And if you want any specific videos to be made, let me know in the comment section. I'm more than happy to make them. See you guys in the next video. Take care.